Hey guys, Danny from Salty Boys Fishing, and today we're going to be updating you guys on a lot of the ongoing projects and the stuff that we've been done since our last video. So starting from the back here, we cleaned up the glass marlins, as you guys can see right there, as well as all the teak on the combing boards. Then we went ahead and we got the rest of the teak done here. As you guys can see from the top view, we got all the teak done. So once we get some nice weather here, we're gonna finish adding some wood oil to it, some teak oil, and then we're gonna be moving on to the next project. First thing you guys might notice is how clean it is up here. My wonderful wife came out here while I was at work and pressure washed for us. And then I got off work, came home, installed the new Garmin electronics, as well as worked on some of these gauges. I have the temperature gauges working, this fuel gauge working, but it's not the right gauge, so we have a lot of work to do on this helm area. After the boat sat for a few months, as you guys can see, some of the paint is looking very thin, so hopefully this weather clears up. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna repaint at least this top deck area on the bow, and then the rest of the boat can be done in the future. Now that we have shown you guys the outside, let's go ahead and check out some of the projects that we've been doing on the inside. Coming onto the salon, if you guys haven't seen the video, we did remove all the carpet, and we'll show you guys that in a little bit. But here's a little salon update. Hi, Ray. Some of the updates you guys will see here is we have new countertops here and over here. As some of you may notice in the videos, we have this giant crack in the mirror, and our plan is to hopefully be able to remove the whole thing and then replace it with something simple or maybe something cool like a Salty Boys Fishing logo. What are you guys thinking? For flooring, we're thinking about doing something around this color, which I think is called Champagne Oak. We're down here in the galley. We have not done this countertop yet, as well as the backsplash, so some of our next projects are going to be removing the sink, updating the fixtures, updating the new backsplash, as well as putting on nice electrical outlet covers. And we've been thinking about maybe getting a cover plate for the microwave, but we're not there yet. Also, we don't really use this stovetop and oven, so we're thinking about updating this to maybe like a glass stovetop. Drop in the comments below what you guys think. Coming down the center line of the boat, we have our two staterooms. This one's primarily our storage closet right now during these projects. And this one over here is also storage. These are some of our old propellers. If you guys haven't seen the video of the boatyard where we installed new propellers, drop a link right up here. Coming out, we have our first starboard head right here. So as you guys can see, it's kind of outdated. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the old fixtures and lights. We're gonna put new updated fixtures, as well as hopefully we can paint this countertop, maybe even some kind of epoxy resin on it, and update this head a little bit. Up here in the V-berth, we have since fixed the headliner, as you guys can see. All we need now is we need to put up a trim piece around here, and I need to fix these three lights up here. That's why it's so dark in here. Only the forward two are working, so working on that. And then the same thing goes with this bathroom. It's kind of outdated, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna update some of the fixtures, cabinets, and hopefully paint this thing and make it look really nice. Some of the final updates that have been going on is down here in the engine room. We have completely rewired batteries, which this kind of looks like a mess, but pretty much what's going on is we have 3 batteries, jumper wires to make them parallel, and then back here we have 2 bus bars, which everything else goes to, which is a lot of wires on a boat like this. And for me, I'm 6'2", and taking this hatch out is one of the biggest and best things that we've ever done on this boat, because now I have all this room to sit down here, do maintenance, as well as we have a generator going back here, hopefully within the next couple weeks. So look forward to seeing that video. Little update with these engines is hopefully soon we're gonna start work on repainting these. So I'll have to get out here, break off all this old paint, and go ahead and start replacing some of the old hoses, hose clamps, as well as painting it, just so they can start to look new. As well as we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do an oil change on both engines, as well as fuel filter changes on both engines. So if you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you guys want to see anything on this boat or anything about boat ownership on a boat like this, go ahead and drop in the comments below.